Hi everybody, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. This is Ali from Khammam city of Telangana state, and in this video we will discuss how to do all-key key programming or add key programming for Maruti Suzuki Ertiga 2021 model BS6 with the help of OBD Star KMD DP5. If you want to make only transponder key for this particular Ertiga 2021 model, then we have to use ID47 special, whose KMD number is 816 hash. And we can also use XOR's VVDS super chips for this particular Ertiga 2021 model, which are generated as ID47 Suzuki Desire A-type. And if you want to make both the transponder and remote, then we have to use KD NV series remotes, which are generated as KMD Desire A-type India ID47 with 433 MHz frequency. And also we can use XOR's wireless remotes, which are generated as Desire A-type with 433 MHz frequency, whose part number is T55R0. So this is our KMD DP5. You should go for DP, and here agree, and car immo, go for car immo, and in this one Asia, and now select Maruti Suzuki version 30.74. Initializing, this is upgrading, initializing. And now we have pin calculator, select from vehicle, select from type, special function. So in these options, just go for select from vehicle and then select the vehicle. So our vehicle is Ertiga vehicle, that's why go for Ertiga. Alto, Baleno, Ignis, Celerio, Ciaz, and Brezza, Ertiga. And here we got blade in proximity. So our key is blade key, that's why go for blade. And in this menu we got type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is for ID46 from the year 2012 to 2018, and type 2 is for ID47. So our vehicle belongs to 2021 model, that's why we should go for type 2, that is nothing but ID47. And here we got program keys and key number. To do the key programming, you should go for the first option, that is program keys. And to check the number of keys, how many keys are registered in this vehicle, to see that we have to go for the second option, that is key number. Now I want to check the how many keys are there in our vehicle, so I am going for key number. Now it says turn ignition on, communicating, tool is communicating. In this menu, the tool says this function is available by connecting the server. Please ensure the internet connection is normal. That means we have to connect our tool to the internet to do key programming, or to see the how many number of keys are registered in this vehicle. So I am connecting the tool to the internet and press enter. The tool is connecting the server, and here we got the number of current keys 2. That means in our vehicle already 2 keys are registered. Press enter. And now go for program keys to do the key programming. Now go for without pin. We have with pin and without pin. Now go for without pin. Here the tool says switch ignition on. Turn on the ignition. Now the tool is communicating. Now the tool is communicating. All keys will be cleared. Whether to continue, that means all the previous keys which are registered in our vehicle are going to erase. So press enter. So in this one, if we are doing add key programming, then also we have to reprogram the previous keys also. Now this function is available by connecting the server. Please ensure the internet connection is normal. So we have to connect our tool to the internet with proper signal. now the tool is connecting the server. It's communicating. The number of current keys 0. That means all the keys which are already registered in this vehicle are cleared now. So the total number of keys is 0 in this vehicle now. And now the tool says insert the key to be programmed and turn on the ignition. So now we should switch on the ignition with the proper key and transponder, then press enter. Now programming key. The tool is communicating. The number of current key is 1. So 1 key is registered now. Now press enter. Program success. Whether to program next one? Yes, I want to make the second key. That's why I go for enter. Or if you want to make the 1 key only, then go for escape. So for this vehicle, I am going to do the second key. That's why I am pressing enter. And here the tool says insert next key and switch ignition on. So we should turn on the ignition with the second key and then press enter. Tool is communicating, and here the number of current keys 2. Program success. Whether to program next one? No, I don't want to make the third key. That's why go for escape. So program complete. So finally we successfully programmed 2 keys for Ertiga 2021 model BS6 with the help of OBD Star KMD DB5. Thank you for watching. బండి స్టార్ట్ ఎందుకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు అసలు. పెట్రోల్ పెట్టిగా స్మూత్ ఉంది కదా అన్ను అనేది నీ ఆఫ్ కరు. ఇట్టాను నీ ఫేస్ కనబడట్లేదు.